I know who holds me tight. I know who holds my life. I know who's got my back. And when you really know deep down that Christ is the one holding you, you can finally stop clutching so hard. Stop gripping everything like your life depends on it. Stop trying to hold together all the things that were never yours to hold in the first place. Because we all have something we clutch, don't we? Something we hold on to with white knuckles: our money, our family, our health, our plans, our reputation, our carefully organized life, and even our future. We cling to these things because we think letting go means losing control. But Paul reminds us gently that Christ holds us together no matter what. So maybe the invitation today is very simple. Stop clutching and breathe. Relax. Christ Jesus holds us. He's not letting go.